around it, but I almost feel like I'm in an army tank or something. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another video. Today, we find ourselves in the cab of something I'm not really sure what it is. We're at the Tulare Farm Show here in California, the World Ag Expo, and yeah, we're gonna see some cool equipment and then go check out that AGCO booth. This, not really sure what it is. I believe that is some kind of a nut tree shaker of some sort. It's gonna be a fun day. Oh, that's nice, that heater. Found some bomb lights here at the show. Tracked one. I've never seen an orange one like that. And then they have that post hole digger on that far one. Feeling a little more at home here at a Massey booth. 6713 with a low profile cab. Huh. These look pretty familiar too. Look at that big fan. Connor's in the 6713. He's loving that little low pro cab. This is pretty sweet. It's the exact cab, this part out of the 6713. And it's literally just a shell around it, but I almost feel like I'm in an army tank or something. Sound system. Yeah, this is cool. Even more at home. Found the AGCO booth and this brand new Massey windrower swather. This back end looks so cool. Cab the same, pretty much, just different monitors. I can barely contain myself right now. We are sitting in a brand new Fendt 211, and this thing is sweet. This would be your standard body or wide body with a front end loader. Right over there we can see the narrow bodies, and just right there, that's that brand new 728 Gen 7. Oh wow, that's probably my favorite part right there, that front windshield. But let's close this up because it's actually not very warm in California, I guess. We can see, instead of having that glass wrapping up and around, it's actually a separate panel, but which is really nice still. A little bit different than what I'm used to is this armrest is actually fixed. So the seat goes up and down and your armrest is more fixed. We also have our engine throttle underneath here, as well as our foot pedal limiter. Just a little more compact and tucked away. Yeah, this is awesome. We can see our control panel there instead of it being right here, just down there, just to fit a little bit smaller of a tractor. Over here at the Fendt Ride and Drive area, 728, a 9 Series, nice big Fendt sign, and then the electric E100 Fendt tractor. Listen how quiet that tractor is. If he can get it figured out. There he goes. Nothing. Let's check out this seat. This is the massaging seat in these new Gen 7 Fendt tractors. Wow, these are nice. Check this puppy out. I think we can get seat controls somewhere in here. Oh, there's AC. We're gonna turn it off. Go back. These Gen 7s are so nice. And that hood with those big vents, aggressive vents coming out the sides, as well as this seat. Look at this. Just like a sports car. Yeah. This is deadly. Let's try and find. There's our seat. We can see our heated seat is on. I was wondering why it's a little hot. You can see our massaging back. Oh, ho, 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 ho. That is nice. And I really like this Fendt Diesel Ross in the top of that headrest. Pulls up nicely and goes down really nice. This might be my favorite part of this entire tractor. And look how nice that front end is. Solar panel cleaner.
Not here, but we sold quite a few to yeah, we're calling it. Yeah, they bought it. What's something like that thing? This one here is about 17,000. Yeah, but a lot of steel in there.
A nice clean Peterbilt.
Oh, is it?
Side dump. There is everything here. A huge stationary tub grinder. Holy man. And look at the truck that it dumps it into. Wow. Sass Dutch Kid, this is for you. A grape harvester. Self-propelled. Wow.
Boy, they better be in the road.
Holy man.